Okay, hello. Today in this core video, we are going to talk to you about two animals that have or stay in danger of extinction. First, the axolotl. This animal is more common in Mexico. This animal is the more popular in this, but what is the reason? Okay, the principal reason is the ability that have all of the axolots that can regenerate all of different parts of limbs, okay, all of your body, and this ability, I suppose, okay, and this ability can stay all of the axolots in are similar that young and throughout their lives. Okay, other characteristic that have the axolot is a phenomenon that called neotomy. This phenomenon is the axolots never outgrow their larval. In that juvenile stage, it means that they maintain their fertility gifts. And the final characteristic is their tadpole, tadpole shaded dorsal fin, which extends almost, which extended the entire leg of their body. Okay, little body. Okay, the second animal is the famous, I suppose, for me. It's the red panda. This panda is usually the size of a domestic cat, but different that this animal, the domestic cat, the red panda has a large body tall of at 45 centimeters, and this body it's used as a magnet to stock sniff of a cold mountain peaks. For example, one of these or his habitat is high, all of the high altitude jungles with the giant panda, but it's similar, is equal that the big panda, the gigant panda. It's no, it's similar that a difference that the normal panda that I consider the red panda a throw is the more widespread. Uh, so I, I tell you the jungles. One of these is the found of the mountains of Nepal and northern Burma. This is so similar that jungle. Another is the central as the central regions of China, the most famous that at the equal that the giant panda. Okay. Other characteristic is this animal spends more of the time in the trees, the big trees, and where exists or yes, the red panda where even sleeps all of the time or no. It's usually that the red panda sleep on the floor. It's normal that you can see all of the red panda sleeps on different trees. Okay, for final, at the beginning of this video, I tell you that those species are in the dangerous extinction, and at the common reason is the main stress of these species. The other is poaching is not common in other aquatic species. The most popular or the most common is the climate change that start in 100 years or more. Other that is the more important that or the most dangerous in this a year, or okay, all of these years is the water pollution, and other is the introduction of invasive species that kill all of these or kill those species. Okay, this is the final of this court video, and I suppose that can help you, that give you a little information that these those animals.